Now, as far as the UAE is now concerned, their air defenses has now responded, and they have now been detailing on Iranian hostilities. Now, they have been reporting that nearly 9 Iranian missiles have been intercepted, as the UAE defenses now say that around 3 drones that have fallen inside the UAE territory, and they have intercepted 109 Iranian drones. So the UAE has now been sharing the tally, Utkarsh sir. Since the attacks began, 205 Iranian missiles that has been detected since day one. 1,000 plus Iranian drones have been intercepted in total. But some of them, however, have managed to slip past the air defense system.
Yes, it shows the severity of the drone and missile attack on UAE. And if you take the percentage, the UAE's air defense is doing very well in countering this. But the fact remains that whatever drones or missiles have managed to fall there, managed to strike the target, they have created quite amount of panic and fear there. And it is perceptible because you have seen all these places which have been evacuated. So this is continuing. This is the thing. Like Saudi Arabia is supposed to be talking to Iran. UAE also tried to talk to Iran, but Iran is unrelenting and they are still targeting the Gulf states. That is the thing which is to be seen. How would it stop? Because the claim of America that the Strait of Hormuz and the Persian Gulf is safe, it is not being substantiated on the ground by these incidents.
And this information that has now been shared as far as UAE is intercepting several missiles, several drones, and it has now been sharing the tally since the attacks began last week. Well, with that, we head into a very short break. Back with the latest headlines.